Hey guys, so we are here today at Universal Studios.
Yep, we're just here today to have a great Universal day. I mean, it's been a while. Everything's been an update. You know, everything's been Halloween Horror Nights. But we're just here to have a great Universal day.
No tricks, no gimmicks, just hanging out.
Nope, so join us along the way, guys.
Alright guys, so we have made it into Universal Studios and things look a little different than opening night weekend. Here we have a sign that says Stay and Scream Entry Location, and it tells you which locations you can go to. They didn't have that for opening night weekend, but I have to say the egocentrist in me has to feel like we have something to do with that, right? Yep. We were the ones, we advocated for Stay and Scream. You know, a little bit of an ego here, but I gotta pat myself on the back.
To the groove, come dance with me. Swing out, jiving.
It's the calm before the storm.
No.
And we're not talking about the hurricane.
No.
I feel like you may have jinxed us.
I think I did. In the last Disney Springs video, I said we'll build our Lego Disney castle if there's a hurricane. And now we might be getting a hurricane here in Central Florida.
All right, get the s'mores ready.
Yeah, right? And get the castle ready.
Yeah. So guys, I'm actually just waiting here. Joe thinks he's gonna be able to scare me as well as the scare actors that were at Halloween Horror Nights. So I'm pretty much just waiting and I have to count until 10 and then I'm going to try to walk through this scare zone and see if it'll scare me. 1, 2, Joey's coming for you. 3, 4, you better lock the door. 5, 6, grab a crucifix. 7, 8, stay up late. 9, 10, Joey's coming again. Let's see. I think he really thinks he's gonna get me.
Oh.
Not too bad. I actually really love this Krusty Land area. I was looking at the games. Let me say, when you see people playing these games, they are ballers. 10 games, $60. That is 6-0, stingy with the Nero. Might buy you Chris, but that about it. Guys, today at Universal, it feels like one of those perfect 90s sitcoms. The weather is gorgeous. In case you guys are wondering, we're actually waiting to see if Creature will make an appearance. There he is. Wow. That's awesome. Take it to Aaron. So I actually need to go to Ollivander's because I actually won this wand from a duel. You know, us Slytherins have crafty ways of getting the things we need. We are resourceful after all. Let's see if I can conjure any spells here. Wands by Gregorovich. Oh my god, it's the Firebolt, the world's fastest broom.
Welcome. You may take photographs if you must. No matter, I have worked.
Me too. Wow, they have a replica of Hagrid's motorbike here. I wonder how many people actually tried to get a custom one like that.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, right? Locomotive bellows. So as you guys can see, I won this wand fair and square. It actually is working for me. Nevertheless, I still want to get a new wand, but we will probably take a trip to Ollivander's on our next trip to Diagon Alley. As you guys can see, Joe has magic in his blood.
Yes, I do.
Uh-oh, guys, look at all the people. Someone better get Deacon St. John. We got a horde of them.
Yeah. Good thing we're heading to Islands of Adventure.
Yeah. All right, guys, we found ourselves in the Island of Adventure. Yeah. Even on an island for adventure, there's always a Starbucks.
Yep. Gotta keep us caffeinated.
Yep, and a halt. So here, guys, we are at Toon Lagoon. A lot of these remind us of comic strips. And by the way, if any of you happen to know of a really good comic book store, let us know. So we've actually had some of the not so great experiences with comic book stores. Like in Michigan, we ended up doing a pull service for a comic book store, and they didn't even tell us that they were going out of business. So we paid $20 for them to do the comic pool, and then the next week when we get there, it's closed.
Yep. They got over on us. Such a Michigan thing to happen.
Oh yes, they are some hustlers in Michigan.
Oh yeah.
We know what you did, Detroit Comics. So actually, guys, a few vlogs ago when we did Islands of Adventure and the things we love about being Universal pass holders, we were on this bridge and it was a bolt of lightning that like struck the bridge.
Yep.
So anytime it rains, we just leave. It's not worth it. Don't get electrocuted for content.
No.
When Butterbeer is calling your name.
Okay, so the frozen gets the straw, the regular one gets a mustache.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so no day is complete without a Butterbeer, of course.
Yeah, I'm excited to get this. It's been a while.
Yes.
And of course, guys, I got the frozen and Brittany got the regular.
Oh yeah. Regular is my favorite, I think.
Yeah, I think I like the frozen maybe a little bit more, but they're both very good. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I don't know if they changed it, but the recipe tastes even better.
It does.
It is
right?
so good, like
so
really
good.
well balanced.
Yeah, it is.
By the way, if you're wondering what this huge bag is, it's my Slytherin robe.
Yeah.
It's just too hot to wear it the whole time, so I just drag it around. Well, really, Joe drags it around for me. Here we are at Zonko's, guys, and we're going to try out some more magic. All right, guys, the sun is setting, and we have had a very magical day here today at Universal Studios.
Yes, we have.
Oh my God, there's nothing like it.
Lockers only, behind me, lockers only.
Yes, just think the next great witch or wizard could...
But you're wrong, sir.
Take a look into the pensieve. Wow. Neville.
Well, I just say to myself,
So that's gonna do it for today, guys.
Yeah, we had a great day here at Universal Orlando. It was great to be back And as always, we'll be back again very soon.
Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.
Part of Our World 71 has been taped in front of a live crowd in Universal Studios, Florida.